a particular decision which was largely guided by a clarification order from the Supreme Court, which stated that Mr. Pistorius has not yet reached the minimum detention period. And when the parole board went through that, they then gave him what we call a further profile for August 2024, meaning that he will have to appear again next year, and they will then look into the profile and make a decision in terms of his placement.
Umndeni okaSteenkamp ubuvele ukuphikisa ukuthi uPistorius anikwe ushwele.
He's eligible to be considered for placement on parole. They don't feel that he should be released. They feel that he has shown no remorse. He's not rehabilitated, because if he had been, he would have come clean and told the true story of what happened that night.
Umnyango uthi uPistorius akakwazanga ukuhlangabezana nokufunekayo ukuze athole ushwele. Ngakho-ke usangabuye azame esikhathini esingangonyaka esizayo. Isicelo seBhodi likashwele besingavulelekile kwabezindaba.